Hey YouTube, how's it going? Well, as you can see, I got a new bike. This is a 2019 Road King Special 114. And today we're going to do a quick test of the Performance Zombie Baffles. These are the 4.5-inch pipes. In case you don't know what a zombie baffle is, it is basically a straight pipe. Starts out at 2.5 inches and then it drops down to 1 3/4, which gives you the back pressure that you need. Modifications that I've done to this bike is the Harley high flow filter. As you can see, it's all open in there now. I use the Harley Pro Street Tuner, and I have also gutted the catalytic converter. So even though this is the Harley pipe, it's actually a straight pipe because the catalytic converter is gone. So I'll go ahead and do a couple of drive-bys at 60 miles an hour in 4th, 5th, and 6th gear and see how she sounds. There you have it, YouTube. That was 4th, 5th, and 6th gears at 60 miles an hour.